Okay, today what we're going to take a look at is how to create an event inside of our Google Calendar. So to get started, what we want to do is one of two things. One, I can either A, click on the day that I want, and it will bring this up, or two, I can come over where it says Create. I'm going to go ahead and click on Create. Now whenever I do that, it brings up my event page that I can actually edit. So the first thing I want to do is probably put in an event title. So I'm going to say Test Event. Put the T on it. Alright, now the next thing I want to do is actually determine what day and what time that I want this to be. Now say if this is an all-day event, instead of having to put any kind of time in, what I can do is click where it says all day, and pretty much it will give me an all-day block for the day. Now say if it's for a specific time, what I can do is I can uncheck that and say I want to have it at 10 o'clock. So the default is 1 hour. Now you can also go in there and change that to another time if you want to inside of the settings. Below we have our event details. So the first thing I can do is I can put in the location where it will be located. If I wanted to, I can make this be some kind of video call. The next one down is our calendar that it will appear in, who is it's created by, and our description. Now this could be something nice, say if you want to tell them, hey, we're having a first grade PLC meeting, I can type that in here. And then also, if I need to add any attachments for our meeting, I can do that here as well. What our guest will do is pretty much allow us to get a guest list of who will be attending our meeting. So, if I wanted to, since this is tied to our Bay District Schools email addresses, so say if I want to look for Ryan Anderson, I could do that. And pretty much if I click on him, he will be added below. Now, whenever I hit save here in a couple minutes, or here in a while, it will actually ask me, do I want to go ahead and send him an email asking if he will come to our training or to our test event. You have the option to either A, send him an email, or B, you don't have to. I'm probably not going to send it to him. But if you were wanting to get a list of people who are going to either be coming, might be coming, or know they're not going to be coming, you would want to hit send. The next thing we have is we have our different event colors that we can use, because we can see that it will actually get a little crowded sometimes on our calendar. It may be nice to actually change the color to figure out exactly what is what. We have show me as, available and busy, and we have visibility of my calendar. Calendar default, public, private, whatever you would like to put. Now, whenever I'm done, we come up and we hit save. And like I said before, this is asking me if I want to send an invitation to Ryan Anderson. You would want to hit send if you do want to know if they will be attending your event or not. I'm going to hit do not send because it will send them an email. And as we can see, our event is now for the day that we are selected. The second way I'm going to take a look at this is by clicking on the day. What I can do to start off is actually put in my event name. So I'm going to say Test Event 2. Now I can either A, go ahead and hit Create Event, and it's going to put it as an all-day event because I haven't specified a time. Or if I wanted to, I can click Edit Event, and it will take me right back to where I was before. And as I can see, it's going to put it down as an all-day event because I have not specified a time for it. So if I did want to, I can click off of all day and change it to whatever I'd like. Or for this one, what we're going to do is leave it as an all-day event. Now, I'm just going to leave it as this, and I'm going to hit save. As I can see, it puts us in an all-day block, unlike our other one where we actually have our time that we actually are having our event. Those are the two different events that you can actually create inside of Google Calendar. If you have any more questions on how to create an event, please feel free to contact us at TOSA at bay.k12.fl.us. Thank you.